In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a spreadsheet into Jotform so you can display information like pricing tables or reference data directly inside your form. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, select form, then choose start from scratch and classic form. In the form builder, click add element on the left side and go to the widgets tab. Search for Iframe Embed and add the widget to your form. Click the wand icon on the widget to open its settings. In the General tab, find the Frame URL field. Copy the shareable URL of your spreadsheet and paste it into the Frame URL field. If you're using Google Sheets, make sure the spreadsheet is shared so that anyone with the link can view it. Next, click the gear icon to open the properties. Adjust the width and height so the spreadsheet fits properly within your form. For example, you can set the width to 100% and the height to 600 pixels. Finally, click Preview Form to make sure the spreadsheet is displaying correctly. That's how to embed a spreadsheet into Jotform. Thanks for watching.